When we look at the meme trading phenomenon, much of it was surely enabled by the ease of trading apps like Robinhood, but traders also needed a place to rally. Enter the world of social media. In January 2021, as traders rushed to snatch up shares of GameStop and AMC, they gathered on WallStreetBets, a popular Reddit forum that was founded in 2012. The site grew in popularity near the onset of the pandemic when some traders, flush with stimulus cash and nowhere to go, clamored around Hertz, which had filed for bankruptcy. For traders, piling into the troubled name was akin to buying a lottery ticket.
Shall I deal you in?
A visit to the site shows traders talking up the most popular stocks of the day, posting their wins and losses, and sharing memes and jokes on financial topics. The site, seemingly composed of younger, mostly male traders, has been derided for encouraging gambling on the stock market.
An epidemic hit the nation. Gold fever.
Some traders make large bets with options, while others claim to use their student loan proceeds in the hopes of reaping big rewards.
Gold seekers were stirred to a frenzy by tales of glory holes and rich diggings.
Add it up.
While Reddit and WallStreetBets are relatively new platforms, the idea of traders congregating online is hardly new. Message boards like Yahoo Finance were incredibly popular during the dot-com boom and bust era. The bells and whistles were less obvious, but the behavior was largely the same, with small groups of traders cheering and jeering some of the most talked about stocks of the day. What's different now is the advances in technology. Now, almost everyone can be equipped with the ability to trade on their phone. WallStreetBets boasts 11 million members. That equates to a lot of power to drive prices and outcomes for companies, as we saw with Hertz, GameStop, and AMC. As for what the companies think about all of this, I got to speak with Adam Aron, Chief Executive Officer at AMC at the Milken Conference in October. He prefers to use Twitter to engage with shareholders and customers. I asked him, as someone running a publicly traded company, what else have you been able to learn or accomplish by interacting with people through Twitter and YouTube? Here's what he told me.
The average tweet I put out is read 1 million times, but every single day I get thousands of inbound messages back. Thousands. I'm deluged with suggestions, some of which are great, some of which are not as great. But it's very helpful for me running an organization to know what my constituency cares about.
With that in mind, I'm going to try my first Reddit post. All right, so about 2 weeks ago, I tried to do my first post on Reddit. Your account must be at least 2 weeks old to post. So it's been a little bit more than 2 weeks, and here goes with my first Reddit post. And I can't comment because of my low karma. What does that mean? What I gather from it is it's kind of a credibility check on users. So there's kind of this hive mind mentality where if you post, you might get some upvotes on it, and that increases your karma. If you get downvotes, your karma may go down. That's how I understand it. It does seem that the WallStreetBets forum, for all the kind of snark that's been thrown around about it, is being careful about what its community looks like. They don't seem to want to have someone who just joins and says, hey, I'm going to buy this stock, or I'm shorting this stock and you should too, and pumping up names without really giving much context or really doing much for the community. It seems like they do want this to be a community, but right now it doesn't look like I will be on WallStreetBets. So let's take a look at how my portfolio is doing. My portfolio is right now worth $235, let's call it. This isn't a good day, so let's see what happened. Total return on Cleveland Cliffs, about 7.9, almost 8%. Now look, that is not bad. That's what investing normally should be. An 8% return over, I don't know, it's been about 5 weeks. Not a bad place to be. But when you're in the world of meme trading, you want to double your money or, see like it was double-digit gains. Not happening here. As an investor, not a trader, I'm not too upset about that though. Smile Direct Club today, down 40% since I bought it. But that's what happens when you just try to follow the momentum without doing enough of your research. Now let's look at that options trade. Remember, I bought a call option. This was right after Bed Bath & Beyond announced good earnings. They announced a partnership with Kroger. They said that they were going to be buying back their shares faster than expected. Stock was on a tear. I thought, maybe it has a little bit more juice. Let's see if it can go up to $26, which was near its high. When I got that option the day after and saw a $400 balance, or actually a little bit more than $400 balance in my Robinhood account, that was exciting. Little bit less exciting right now. So Bed Bath & Beyond shares are trading around $22, almost 30 cents. It's not quite where I want to be, especially when I look at the other parts of my portfolio, but I still have about 10 days until that Bed Bath & Beyond option expires. So we'll see where we end up.